Welcome to the COBB Focus ST install guide for the COBB knob. Your knob is all you'll need, no tools are required. Firmly grip the shifter and give it a firm twist counterclockwise. It's almost like opening a stuck jar, but it does twist off. Remove the OEM Shift knob. Be sure to leave the spring in place to allow reverse lockout to work correctly. Now we've got our COBB knob, of course in the color of your choice. Twist the COBB knob onto the shaft. Twist it firmly into place and you're ready to go. With its super lightweight Delrin construction, the knob is always temperature neutral, never hot or cold, and its shape encourages fast, positive shifts. Grab a COBB knob and get into gear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.